Hi guys! In this episode, gusto ko sana magpasalamat sa lahat ng members ng Hulis community na nagsama-sama over these past 2 days for our 2-day celebration of our second year anniversary. Sa lahat sa inyo na talaga naman sinadya na pumunta sa Hulis nitong mga nakaraang 2 araw, maraming salamat po. Grabe, ang taba ng puso ko nung binabasa ko yung mga post ninyo sa Facebook, no, greeting us on this milestone, no, sa aming journey in business. No, maraming salamat po. At dun sa mga nagpadala sa amin ng greetings, no, kung kaya ko po sagutin lahat yan. Personally, I will go through all the feeds ng aming pages and even my personal page, no. Maraming salamat. Kung hindi ko pa po kayo napapasalamatan sa inyong bati sa amin, no, pasensya na po. Medyo naging busy lang at darating din ako dyan. I promise that I will thank everybody who took the effort, no, and to make us feel that we are appreciated. Ako din po ngayon dito sa vlog na ito, gusto ko rin iparamdam sa inyo how much I appreciate all the support that you've been giving us over the past 2 years, kasi talaga naman hindi kami magiging ganito kung hindi nyo rin kami sinamahan sa aming journey at hindi nyo rin kaming tinulungan, no, na para buuin ang Hulis community at ang Hulis experience, no, na pamamaraan namin bilang pagsisilbi sa komunidad na yan. Okay? So, isa sa mga gusto kong pasalamatan, syempre, ang ating mga performers na nag-come together during the past 2 days. No? Nandyan si Master Hito, ang ating 2-time tanghalan ng kampiyon, champion, no? Defending champion yata siya ngayon, if I'm not mistaken. So, maraming salamat sa iyo for gracing us this Friday para i-serenade ang ating mga customers and to jam with them, no? By the way, I've engaged Master Hito for the next few weeks to be our Friday performer, kasama ng ating in-house drag queens, syempre, na talaga rin naman nagpasabog ng kanilang mega performances, no? 7 of them came together, no? To give us such a spectacular show during the intermission numbers ng ating event for that night. So si Master Hito and our in-house drag performers ang magsasama-sama ngayon kada Friday para bigyan kayo ng kasiyahan as you welcome weekends. No? So lahat po sila will be with us in Hulis para mag-jam session, no? At ibang term na yun, bardagulan. So there, gagawin natin yan every Friday. So maraming salamat po. Napakaganda ng performances na ginawa niyo last Friday. Ako po mismo, natuwa ako nung nakita kong nag-jam ang mga tao sa mga kanta ni Master Hito. At talaga naman nakita ko how appreciative, no, the audience was dun pa lang sa level of gratitude na binigay nila dun sa ating mga in-house drag queens in the form of tips. Grabe, dito lang talaga sa Hulis ako nakakakita ng mga tips na 1,500 as commonplace, no? Ang dami talagang gratitude na that flows from within the people inside the Hulis community kapag nagka-come together tayo to celebrate our friendships, di ba? Grabe. Sobrang bilib ako sa generosity ng ibang mga tao sa ating community, and nagpapasalamat naman ako sa kanila for allowing us to experience also the blessings that they've had in life, no? Yung kanilang mga successes na sinishare nila sa ating mga performers, no? So, maraming salamat po sa inyo dyan. And of course, paano ba naman ako makakapagpasalamat ng kompleto kung hindi ko babanggitin ng organizers ng ating grand finals of the Hulis Voice Idol, di ba? Yan, ako, ang pamilya Donovan led by Patrick Donovan. Maraming salamat, Patrick, for putting together this series of singing competitions that led to a grand finals event na ginawa natin last Friday. Sobrang salamat sa iyo. Nakita ko naman yung level of effort na ginawa mo para magkaroon tayo ng qualifying rounds, no, and then 2 semi-final rounds, no. Syempre the effort that you put in with each of those instances, napakatindi naman talaga, no. Maraming salamat, Patrick. I look forward to working with you on more events in the future, no. At syempre nandiyan din yung ating DJ, no, nitong Sabado, no. DJ Kyle and DJ Zilchania. Maraming salamat din. Ako, talagang walang paltos ang inyong level of performance kapag kadating sa Sabado, napapasayaw nyo talaga yung buong Hoolies community. Tuwan-tuwa ako kapag nakikita ko yung mga tao na nagsiselebrate. Kasi at the end of the day, that is really what Hoolies Bar and Restaurant stands for. It's a safe space to celebrate friendships, to celebrate life. No? Sabi nga natin, we're taking it to the next level by making it also a place to celebrate milestones in our pursuit of our dreams, diba? So maraming salamat, BJ Kyle, BJ Zolchania. No? Maraming salamat sa inyo for gracing us with your talents in DJing and by giving us happy weekends, diba? Pagdating sa ating mga pagsasama-sama sa community. Thank you very much. And to all those contestants, syempre, na nag-participate sa ating Hoolies Voice Idol. Grabe naman talaga. Kitang-kita ako, guys, yung galing ninyo na how you have learned from the inputs na binigay sa inyo, not just by the judges but also by your peers during the qualifying rounds, during the semifinal rounds. So, nakita ko how you've absorbed all those things. Narinig ko dun sa mga explanation ninyo kung bakit niyo pinili yung kanta ninyo. Kasi ito po yung sinabi sa akin na bagay sa aking style of singing, di ba? Nakita ko rin yung mga effort na gawing sarili ang isang kanta by singing a reggae song, turning a reggae song into a ballad song. Ay, ako, grabe. Kitang-kita ko how you have taken in all these things. No? But at the end of the day, I want to share a golden nugget then with you guys, to the contestants that joined the Hoolies Voice Idol. No? Itong golden nugget ko for today in this vlog is actually dedicated towards you. So, yung nangyari sa atin sa Hoolies Voice Idol is all of you came together. Lahat kayo may kanya-kanyang landas na tinahak para i-hone ang galing ninyo sa pagkanta, right? So lahat kayo may mga ginawang pagsasanay, lahat kayo may ginawang steps to get to where you are in your singing journey. And yung golden nugget na gusto kong ibigay sa inyo ngayon ay kapag kaganyang binibigyan ka ng snapshot, o isang pagkakataon sa buhay mo wherein marami kayo coming in from different areas or coming in from different journeys, no, put together, and then bigyan kayo ng criteria na papare-parehasin kayo. Diyan mo talaga makikita na there is a golden opportunity for growth. When you come into a competition, and I'm sure talaga naman alam niyo rin ito kasi nakita ko yung mga post niyo after the contest na nagpapasalamat kayo sa lahat ng mga tao na tumulong sa inyo, and even to the other contestants, no, na sumali sa ano. Nakita ko yung sportsmanship niyo dyan, and that just shows me that you have the proper mindset. No, yung mindset na yan being na itong mga competitions na ito are not really about winning. It's about seeing the potential na pwede ninyong makamit kapag tinuloy-tuloy niyo yung journey ninyo in honing your craft. Siyempre, at the end of the day, competition, yan, kaya hindi pwedeng lahat manalo, right? Kaya nga naglagay tayo ng criteria na pare-parehas sa lahat ng mga judge sa kanilang paghusga na okay, ito yung performance na ito yung magiging score para sa akin, ito yung magiging score para sa akin, ito yung magiging score para sa akin. And kaya nga tayo maraming judge. And kaya nga for this grand finals, talaga naman sinabi ko kay Patrick, I want to be fair to all our contestants. Gusto kong magkaroon ng technical expert sa panel of judges na talagang nakakaintindi ng nuances kung paano talaga mag-deliver ng magaling na pagkanta. No? Kaya sinama namin si Master Hito sa ating panel of judges para lahat ng tao, hindi niya kilala mga contestants. A lot of them, first time lang niya nakita. Nilagay natin siya doon, hindi para husgahan ng pagkatao ng mga competitors, hindi para husgahan ng kanilang damit, hindi para husgahan ng kanilang journey papunta doon. Andun siya para husgahan yung delivery nila nung kanilang awit na pinili for that contest, no? So yung opportunities na yan, when you enter competitions, yan talaga ay not about winning, guys. It's about seeing your room for improvement because these are the most valuable things in life. Kung hindi mo makita where you can improve on, you can never be progressing. No? Kung huhulaan mo lang, siguro dapat ganito, siguro dapat ganito. Kung hindi mo makita someone else successfully doing what you want to do, ang hirap mahanap yung mga gagawin mo sa sarili mo para someday to be like that, right? So, ang golden nugget ko para sa inyo, similar to me, no? On that, para i-share ko lang din sa inyo, hindi lang yan sa singing contest, even sa buhay. Ako, alam niyo ngayon, I've shared in my last vlog that I've been a businessman, full-time businessman for 2 years pa lang. Before that, I've been an employee all my life. So, I think like 24, 25 years, akong empleyado, working for other people, building their business and all that. Alam niyo na yan, you can hear that from my other vlogs. But doon mismo, kasama ninyo, habang nagko-compete kayo, I was sitting in the panel of judges. And katabi ko, no, si Miss Sally, kilala niya yan. Malaking part yan ng Hoolies community. I was fortunate enough to sit beside her and listen to her during the breaks. No? Nag-usap kami. Sabi niya sa akin that she's been in the business of importing things from Japan to sell to the public. And that yung kanyang 13-year business, napakalaki na pala talaga ng revenue. Hindi ko na sasabihin kung magkano yung revenue niya kasi napakalaki talaga. Mind-boggling. No? Pero kung ako, nasa same journey niya, entrepreneurial journey, and siya, entrepreneur din, no? Parehas kami ng gusto sa buhay, magkaroon ng magandang negosyo na nagsiserve ng community. Doon sa snapshot namin na magkatabi kami, syempre, ibang-iba yan. Kasi at the end of the day, iba yung kanya pamamaraan ng pagnegosyo, iba yung pamamaraan ko ng pagnegosyo, iba yung time na ipasok na namin sa aming pag-hone ng aming negosyo, no? Talagang sa snapshot na yan, magkaiba kami. And pag nakikinig ka sa mga tao that are on the same journey as you, lalo na kapag nakita nyo sa same criteria, o revenue ko nandito. Ang ibig sabihin pala ng revenue, guys, is yung pera na pumapasok kapag galing sa benta. No? Ang revenue ko nandito, dahil nandito pa lang ako sa 2 years, isa pa lang ang branch ng Hoolies ko. And nandito si Ma'am Sally, dahil kanya 13 years of building her business successfully, kung napakalayo kami. No? So snapshot, okay, andyan. So the golden nugget for me there, the golden opportunity for me there is to, meron pala akong kasama sa Hoolies community na kung gusto ko ng advice, nandyan lang siya. And I'm sure si Miss Sally would be kind enough to share with us, no, or share with anybody out there who wants to go into business, her learnings. No? That's like what I'm trying to do with this vlog. No? Nandyan ang ating Hoolies community. Napakarami natin mga negosyanteng kasama dito sa Hoolies community. Ako, ang promise ko sa inyo, I will be continuing with these vlogs para i-share sa inyo yung mga bagay na natutunan ko when I decided to shift from employee to entrepreneur. Long time ago, nag-decide ako dyan. And this vlog is really to help all those who want to go on the same journey. No? So yan yung ma-share ko sa inyo, guys, to all those people who again came together to join the Hoolies Voice Idol. No? Maraming salamat sa performances ninyo. Hindi man kayo lahat nanalo sa title, nanalo naman kayo lahat sa opportunity to see how much more you can do if you continue working on your craft, no? If you continue allowing the feedback, no, to be golden nuggets for you and you're learning the proper execution of that talent God has gifted you with. No? So yan lang naman tayo eh. We are put in this world to make something of ourselves, to be channels of blessing to one another. So let's share. Na-encourage ko kayo, i-share nyo rin yung mga golden nuggets nyo with other people. Whether it be through your conversations kapag nasa Hoolies kayo, or whether it is dun sa ating bagong gagawin platform for sharing. No? Ang ikaw ang kwento. But at the end of the day, let's all come together, not to celebrate lang yung mga weekends and long holidays like what we have this week. No? Long holiday tayo this week. Wow, saya-saya. Let's come together to celebrate life and our journey towards being who we want to be. So I'll end my vlog here. I'll see you in my next episode. So maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikinig sa akin. Thank you for giving me your valuable time today. I'll see you in my next episode. Bye!